Hello, this is my awkward hand introduction, but welcome! Today I'm testing Alvin's 24-hour butter honey chicken recipe with some tiny adjustment. Attention please, I'm cheating here by not using fresh rosemary because my grocery store ran out of stock. Nevertheless, after frying my chicken, I can still taste the poignant flavor. The original recipe calls for cornstarch, but I substituted potato starch as it doesn't have any gluten and acts as a thickening agent. I own a very sad saucepan for frying. You might wonder why I didn't use a big burner on the left, because it was broken and not because of my stupidity. I threw my chicken into the pot of oil once there were small bubbles forming around my chopsticks. I didn't realize how much 2 pounds of fried chicken was until now. It's 3 a.m. and I wonder whom to share with before they become soggy. I poured half of what the recipe called for because the chicken themselves were a little salty for me. Because my frying pan is also small, I cooked in 2 batches. Again, I used half of the sauce for my first batch. The chicken is tender and has a good punch of rosemary, soft and tender inside and crunchy outside. Brine the chicken was worth it but could reduce the salt level. Overall, I think this dish felt like eating a dessert with a very strong brown butter flavor, despite only using half of a stick, and could add a little more honey. Not my cup of tea, but I personally like a sour touch, so I ended up adding a tablespoon of ketchup. The portion was way too much for me to eat alone, so I'll be sharing them with my friends. I'll pack it up, send it off, and now it's ready to go.